Hey guys, it's Z time, and today we just completed a intake valve cleaning with this Seafoam stuff. So what it came with was this red rod here, the red tube, and we put it right down the intake pipe here and into the right into the intake plenum, and so we just took all this off, and put that in there, and then we sprayed it for about 7 minutes. While the engine was about 2,000 RPM, and hoping that cleaned out the intake valves because we're really needing that. It seems like this was the stuff that we used here. This Seafoam spray intake valve cleaner. So this stuff was super easy, and taking all this off wasn't as easy as we planned, but the actual process of spraying it was super easy. So what we also did, we threw some oil cleaner or down the oil thing. It's this complete engine treatment. You put it down the oil or the gas tank, and it will clean out the carbon deposits from your lifters and under your valve cover, which we had a lot of when we inspected that. So we're gonna let it sit here for a couple more minutes, and then we're gonna take it out on a highway drive. That way, just as the bottle says, and then we're gonna do in a oil flush. We're gonna do an oil change, and then we're gonna throw some oil additive in it, which is in the trunk. We're gonna throw some of that in there. Hopefully that'll clean it up even more. And we're not gonna do an oil change after that. So hopefully this gets rid of some of the smoking issues and some of the just some of the power issues that we have right now. Alright, so we're out for the drive, and as you can see, it's smoking, which is good. That's what we want. Okay, one last pull before we get home. See how much it smokes. Not much. Alright, it's now time. It's now the next day. We warmed the engine up a little bit, and we're gonna try and put some try and change the oil here, and then after we change the oil, we're gonna put some of this oil stabilizer in here. It's supposed to help with oil consumption and, you know, just overall make the engine better, hopefully. So we're gonna change the oil here. Hopefully we see lots of chunks. Hopefully the oil is black because we did that cleaning, so it should all be in the oil now. So let's do that now. All right, here's our oil from post cleaning, and as you can see, it's the darkest oil ever. So now we need to just throw some the oil additive in there, and we're gonna throw that in first. And then we're gonna fill it up with oil. It's just the whole thing just goes in there. So just gonna do that now. Here goes the oil additive.
It's the Lucus oil additive. Oh, it's gonna be slow.
Pretty thick, huh? Pretty thick.
Freezing out here.
Really, it's cold.
Probably like, why is the camera shaking? Oh, it's freezing.